In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download protected view-only Google Docs files from Google Drive. Before we start, a quick reminder. Only use this method for files you're allowed to access. Respecting permissions and copyright is really important. This walkthrough is meant to help you work more efficiently with documents you legitimately have access to, not to bypass security or steal content. We'll begin from a standard Google search. In your browser, go to Google and type in How to download protected view-only Google Doc files from Google Drive. This search helps surface relevant guides, tools, or explanations that show you the available options and any current limitations. It's useful because Google changes things over time, so starting with a search can reveal up-to-date methods or official documentation. Once the search results load, look toward the top of the page and click on View All. Depending on your layout, this might appear near a section like Videos, Images, or a specific Answers panel. Choosing View All expands that section, so you're not just seeing a few highlighted results, but the full list. This makes it easier to compare different guides and pick the one that best matches what you're trying to do. Next, in that expanded view, select the All tab. This tab shows every type of result together in one place, instead of limiting you to just videos, just images, or just discussions. Using the All tab gives you a broader perspective. You might find written tutorials, community help threads, and video walkthroughs all in the same feed. From here, scroll through until you see another option to view all, and click it again. As you dig deeper into the results, Google sometimes groups related links, so selecting View All a second time helps you fully open that group. This lets you see more niche or detailed guides, which can be especially helpful if the top results are too generic or don't quite match your exact situation. Finally, once again, switch to the All tab in this new view. This final step ensures you're seeing the complete mix of resources available related to downloading or working with protected, view-only Google Docs. At this point, you can choose the specific guide or method that best fits your needs, always keeping in mind to follow the rules and only download or copy content you're allowed to use.